The sand test is one that has stopped many of the world's best weapons, yet the AR-10 has gone through the most severe of these tests without malfunction. None of the adverse conditions tests, including sand, have left any permanent ill effects on the weapon. Performance in mud is probably the most difficult of all adverse conditions. The close-fitting dust cover helps make it possible for the AR-10 to outperform all other automatic weapons in this test. The preceding demonstration of rapid fire illustrated the use of preloaded magazines. The rifleman fired 100 rounds of NATO ammunition in 30 seconds. As soon as a magazine was emptied, the release button was pressed with the trigger finger, and the empty magazine dropped. Firing was instantly resumed upon insertion of the next loaded magazine. Rapid fire is wasted fire unless the weapon is controllable. The straight-line stock and well-balanced design of the AR-10 makes possible the ease of handling and accurate control. A factor influencing this remarkable controllability is the specially designed forearm. Constructed of fiberglass with a foamed plastic insulating liner, this forearm protects the rifleman's hand from extreme barrel temperatures and provides a firm grasp in any shooting position. Even though the AR-10 needs cleaning and oiling less frequently than any other rifle, under field operating conditions, a simple field clean only will keep the weapon functioning indefinitely. The hard plating of the working parts prevents fouling elements from adhering. This enables the parts to be cleaned by wiping with a cloth. The simplicity of field cleaning also makes it possible easily and quickly to train a recruit in a minimum of time. The carrying handle serves as a rigid base for mounting a scope sight. Firearms experts are much impressed by the fact that this weapon, with the firepower of a machine gun, has all of the inherent accuracy of a fine sniping rifle. The straight-line recoil forces shorten the recovery time necessary between shots. The AR-10 launches grenades in rapid succession. 20 grenade-launching cartridges can be fed from the standard magazine. Only on the AR-10 can this be accomplished without rifle alteration or adjustment of any kind. This also permits the instant changing from grenade launching to combat ammunition. In offhand firing against a man-sized target at combat range, the AR-10 is in a class by itself. Quick, on-the-target performance means a maximum effectiveness for ammunition expended and inspires complete confidence on the part of the combat rifleman. Whether this remarkable weapon is used as a basic infantry rifle, a submachine gun, a highly accurate sniper rifle, or a belt-fed machine gun, one action, one logistics problem, one training program, and one ammunition makes the AR-10 the only weapon in the world to fulfill all small arms requirements. The AR-10 represents a historic milestone in small arms progress, the result of highly specialized research and development by the ArmaLite division of the Fairchild Engine and Airplane Corporation in conjunction with leading military figures of the world. The unprecedented acceptance of the AR-10 has brought about mass production of this automatic weapon in Europe. As a result of this production, AR-10 rifles are fast becoming available for tests and evaluation to all interested countries. The lightweight, rugged, simple, reliable, accurate, and versatile AR-10 invites comparison with any other automatic weapon in the world.